All right, how you doing? So in these videos, I'm going to be answering lots of questions. I get loads of messages, questions. In fact, I get loads of them, in fact, truly loads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to answer many of your questions in this format. Let's go. Mark, I hate him. I hate Mark with every ounce of my body, and I've got a big body. I hate him, I hate him, I hate him. And I hate him not for the reason that you think. I hate him because he is very successful, extremely talented, travels around the world and eats food and earns loads of money from his food channel, no doubt. I'm just jealous of him. I love him. I just love him so much. I've been following Mark for years and years. And he's just got, he oozes passion, doesn't he? He's really passionate about what he does. He does that thing, you just give him anything. Just give him a big bowl of dog shit, put a few chilies in it because he likes chilies, and he'll tuck into it and just, sort of orgasm. He's genius. I'm surprised that Netflix, HBO or Amazon or whoever have not offered him $1 billion, maybe $5 billion to do a TV show. He's genius. He's absolutely genius. And it's been great watching him grow as well. His wife's been involved a little bit. You see a bit more of her. Then he had a kid, didn't he? And that's been, it's just wonderful watching him. I have nothing bad to say about that man. I tell you what's great. The internet is great. The internet has brought us, people like Mark who have just got their own TV show. They've just gone out and got themselves a half-decent camera and just shown their passion. And yeah, he's fantastic. He's fantastic. Long live Mark. The Food Ranger. Yeah, he's good, isn't he? He's really good. I don't think he's as good as Mark. I think Mark's the king. And there's loads of these guys, isn't there, out there doing their thing. And I do a little bit of it sometimes. I go out and eat and stuff like that. But I don't have their kind of enthusiasm. Do you know what I mean? I'm kind of a bit older and English, a bit more reserved. And yeah, they're just like super passionate. The Food Ranger, yeah, he's great as well, man. He goes out and does his thing, and he does one thing that is slightly annoying. It's his thumb. He just holds his thumb out a bit too long. Do you know what I mean? He kind of go, yeah, wow, awesome. And it's like, all right, mate, everyone understands the universal language of the thumb. Put it down. But yeah, again, it's easy to sit here, isn't it? And knock people. I don't want to sit here and knock Mark. I don't want to sit here and knock, the Food Ranger. I don't even know his name, actually. I just don't know his name. He's just the Food Ranger, isn't he? Easy to knock these guys. I don't want to knock them. They're out there. The internet has brought this amazing ability for them to have their massive TV shows. They're huge. I think Mark's the winner. But the Food Ranger, he's in the millions and millions and millions, that guy. It's just incredible that we have this ability now, even for me, I'm nowhere near these guys, but, they just, we've just got this ability to kind of get out there and sort of make your own channel, your own TV show, I suppose. And that's what, I've tried to do, you can do, loads of people are doing it, and just stick at it. But I think they both win through their passion. They've got a massive passion, and they're just into their food and they do their thing. And like I say, there's loads of these other guys in there. There's that, I think he's American or something, Canadian, wears that bandana he's always about, and he's sort of, but millions and millions of views, millions and millions of views, millions and millions of views, just people love them. And out of the two of them, I do prefer Mark. I kind of think he's the original guy, but yeah, I have nothing bad to say about either of them, sorry.